Today, everyone. So today here I'm teaching in Tibetan ye or ye cho. So that means right or right side. Okay. So here I give with the examples. So first one, nhel thi ye la chok ve yere. So that means the table is right side of bed. Okay, and then another way of writing, 쪽대 ཉelthi ye la yore. Right side of the bed, there is a table. One example here, ni ye chola tep yore. So that means book is at the right side of me. Okay, and then another way of writing, 탭 니 ye chokla yore. My right side there is a book. Okay, and then next one, yun or yun chok. Okay, so that means left or left side. Okay, so here are the examples. 탭 ki yun la lokle du. The computer is left side of the book. Okay, and then another way of writing, lokle thepki yula duk. The left side of the book there is computer. And then keranki yun chola medo yure. The flower is at the left side of you. And then medo keranki yun chokla yore. Left side of the U, there is a flower. So these are the talking about right and left. Okay, thank you. And then see you in next video.